Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dryer drum belt idler arm in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. You may need to detach the venting from the dryer to fully access the rear of the laundry center. You may also need to shut off the incoming water and remove the hot and cold water supply lines as well. If necessary, remove the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer access panel. Set the panel aside. Move the idler arm to the left so you can detach the belt from the motor pulley and idler pulley. Next, slide the old idler arm off the mounting pin and detach the spring. When installing the new idler arm, first confirm the spring is fully attached to the frame. With the pulley facing outward, attach the spring to the arm, then align the arm on the mounting pin. Loop the drum belt onto the idler and motor pulleys in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help fully align the belt. Reinstall the access panel by inserting the tabs into the slots first, then rethread the screws. If necessary, reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting if required, and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on if necessary. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.